6:30. I'm following a route that I downloaded from All Trails. The route is about 30 kilometers, so I'm hoping to be finished about 2 or 3, so that's why I left so early. Hopefully the sun will be up soon and I'll be able to get a cup of tea. Sun is just coming up there behind me. It's grand and quiet up here. Only me and the birds. That's looking out over Offaly. Tullamore is over in this direction over here. And I think it's Rosenallis just down here. A mighty view. If I could find somewhere to have a cup of tea now, I'd be laughing. There's nowhere really I could sit down. It's all logging trails up here. Just came down that road there. Don't know if you can make out the fog on the forest down there. Looks pretty good. Just thought I'd show you a waterfall there, because you'd be seeing a lot of them if you did this walk. They're just everywhere. They're literally, the land is leaking. Look at this. Don't know if you can see it up there behind me. It's just, here, better example. Oh no, show you this. Look at this. Just leaking. It's actually quite mild out today. I was properly wrapped up when I came out. You probably saw I had the hat on, had the gloves on. I was roasting. And I had to put on my sexy gaiters because one part of the trail was really overgrown. I had the gaiters on about... I put the gaiters on after my legs had got wet, and within about 3 minutes I was on the logging trail, so I didn't need them. The higher I go, there seems to be a fog, especially when I look out over the view to my right there. I can see the fog coming down on the higher parts, so hopefully it doesn't cover me. Hopefully nothing too dramatic happens. Yeah, there's a good bit of the track now that's on the logging trails. It's chilly. I've decided to take a little detour. So I'm just up on a boardwalk here. I don't know if you can see it there behind me. Absolutely brand spanking new. So I don't know if they're replacing an existing one that was here, or if this is brand new. So I'm hoping that it's finished and that I don't get to a certain point and then there's just no more boardwalk. But I'd say that's kind of unlikely. I hope it is anyway. But it does oh, I spoke too soon. That's the end of the boardwalk. Oh, Jesus. Huh? And me looking forward to going out across the bog. Oh God. Right. Well, that's that. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I wouldn't say it's much of a viewpoint unless you can see out across and there's no fog. I might check it out the next time I'm up, but yeah, that was exciting. So yeah, I'm going down onto the road. Could you blame me now, in fairness? Look how promising that looks up there. Huh? I don't know. I have no words. No words. Just had to get the waterproofs out. Just my waterproof coat, because my down jacket got absolutely soaked in the fog. So I'm still on the road, so I'm just trying to get a few miles in because or a few kilometers in, sorry. Apologies. Because I want to keep my time pretty good. It's nice here though, look. Both sides of the road. I'm just after coming up by the cut, and I highly doubt you can see anything out there because it's so foggy. Had a sandwich and an apple on the go. I wouldn't advise trying to eat an apple going uphill. It doesn't help with the breathing situation. But I still haven't had a cup of tea. I think it's after 10 o'clock now. Could be 10:30. Just wanted to show you the forest here. It's gorgeous, isn't it? There are a few benefits to being up here in the fog, and that's one of them. That's all. Just wanted to show you the trees. That's all I need. More horses. Just come down to a nice little area now. I'm on like new, I think there's a few walks around here. I'm just gonna head up here now. Finally off the road. I still haven't had tea. It's like 11 o'clock now. But I'll either have a really quick cup or I just won't have one. Have plans with the family, so I want to get back. But I'll see how I go. I might have a quick cup. I think I deserve it now. I've done about 16 kilometers at this point. But this is a really good part of the walk here now. It's coming up there. So I'd say there'll be a few nice bits of scenery even with the fog. So we'll see. Just came down here for a little gawk. It's part of another walk though. See the bridge across the river there. See all the waterfalls and that. I'm gonna head back up and get back on track. I thought I might find a spot for tea, that's why I came down. Could have had tea beside the waterfall, but wasn't to be. The search continues. So I think I've decided I'm going to cut the walk short a little bit. I'm not bothered by, I'm not stuck to a certain distance and all that. It would have been nice to get to the 30 kilometers, but it's not that I can't physically do it. It's just that I feel like I'm rushing to get there, and I'm not enjoying it as much as I could. So the section I'm going to cut out it goes up over the Ridge of Cappard, which is a lovely viewing point, but on a day like today, like there's fog all around, you're not going to see anything. And I know that area there because I've done the Glenbarra route there a few times. So I'm going to dip into the forest there, and I'm going to have my cup of tea, and I'm going to sit down and just enjoy it. I want to get back to the kids. Like at this rate, I'd really be rushing if I had tea, and I'd be just going in the door just in time to be with the kids, and I don't want that. I want to be there, relaxed, and enjoy my time with them. Be there when I said I'd be there. So it means I just have to cut my walk a bit short, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'll still have done a lovely walk. Like the weather is, really bad fog, but shows you a whole different aspect of the mountains. I'm going to keep pushing on, but I'm not going to rush as much, and just enjoy it and get back to the family on time and have me tea. Need to have me tea. Wonder what would happen if I followed this guy. I might just walk up here just for 5 minutes, see what happens. I don't want to be going in the wrong direction. I've just decided to cut the walk short, so I'd rather walk through this now than on them lanes. So I'll just give it a go. So I have decided I can't risk it. It's looking like I'm going back on myself, so I'm not going to chance it. Let's go back over now. Back on track now, and I'm going to stick with the plan now. I'm not going to veer off anymore. I'm just after taking off my gaiters there. I took them off and there's steam coming off my trousers. I'm not even joking. But they are dry, so that's good. The gaiters are soaked on the inside. I'll have to look out for some breathable ones. They're grand though, they're only Carrymore, but they do the job. I've done, I think it's 18 kilometers, and I've been walking for about 5 hours with no break. The only time I stopped was to get something out of my bag or whatever. I didn't actually stop for any length of time really. So I'm just going to keep going. Not too bad, my knee's a bit sore. Still joined by the fog. And my bottle. I know I'm on a mountain, but I'm going uphill more than I'm going downhill. I've just come up that. I'm just going up around the corner, up there. And I think that's why my knee is bothering me. My right knee is getting fairly sore now. But I think it's just all the uphill. Ah, it's grand. It's grand. I just noticed going uphill a lot. Yeah. Up into the clouds. 20 kilometers in now. Honestly, can't wait to get a cup of tea. I know I keep saying it, but Jesus. Time for a cup. I lost the trail a bit there. It sent me way off. I don't know if it was me or the app, but it just came up through a real narrow bit in the trees. Really narrow. You walk straight by it. I wouldn't mind. I stopped there to change the battery of my camera and I carried on. Anyway, I'm back on track, but it's just I didn't video coming up there because my knee is absolutely throbbing, but still having a tea. Just up on another boardwalk here now, so I'm just coming up over the bog by the look of it, and I think the rain's starting to blow in now, so I was kind of hoping to avoid it, but no joy. It's probably the wettest place I've ever seen. Just wanted to show you the steps I'm going up. Whew. It's blowing a gale out here now. I don't know if you can see the fog moving across. Whew. This is a tough bit now. Good few steps. He's having a laugh. Just stumbled across this. Just gonna add a little stone to it. Sure, why not? This guy. Oh, look at that. I've given up on the tea because I went wrong. I'm just not going to have time, so I'm just going to hide behind this for a minute, sit down for 3-4 minutes, eat a sandwich and get going again. I'll be heading out this way, so that's the plan. It's fairly dodgy here. Very mucky. I've just discovered that I actually just walk under the Ridge of Cappard, so I can't even avoid it, which was my plan. So that's gone out the window. I'm doing the 30 kilometers after all. Okay, I've already fallen, so that was exciting. There's something seriously wrong with my knee. Oh, walk was horrendous. Up the top it was just bogging. Oh, it's very bad. Never ever underestimate the Irish weather. Ever. It can be absolutely beautiful and it can be absolutely horrendous within the space of 5 minutes.